Okay, Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Ari. And Ari is here almost just a couple days shy of 1 year. And you can see from his before and afters, I'll put them side by side so you can see what a difference. I'm just going to kind of pan in here and show everybody. Here's what it looks like from the side. And this is what it looks like from the front. And this is what it looks like from the other side. So, and Ari, we were just looking at the pictures, and pretty big difference, I guess, from before and after, huh?
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah.
It's huge. It's life change. As you and I were discussing, it's life changing.
Yes.
Family members, friends, colleagues saying I look 15 years younger, and which obviously does tremendous things for one's self confidence. And so, I'd recommend it to anybody.
Yeah.
It's you deal with the some of the growing pains associated with the first few months,
Right.
but then wow, it just sort
So
of
those first 4 months are a little bit, hey, did I make the right decision here? Nothing's happening. Right,
all of a
right.
sudden your hair just changes.
Awesome,
It's,
awesome.
it's
You
fantastic.
definitely look younger with the hair. Obviously, from the pictures, you can see what a difference. Smaller forehead. Any issues with the scar in the back? Does it bother you in any
Not at
way?
all.
Okay.
Not at all. It was a little itchy at first,
Okay.
but then with the passage of time, it healed up right nicely, and
Awesome.
I don't even know it's there.
Awesome, man. And look how natural it looks. So this is a nice staggered hairline all the way across. So very natural. And couldn't have happened to a nicer guy, man. I'm super happy for you. And actually, believe it or not, we're talking about getting some more hair,
Yeah.
taking them to the next level. So we'll keep you tuned on that stuff. So
Absolutely, not necessarily a requirement, but something that I'm just so excited with the results.
Yes.
Of the first procedure that I'm thinking, well, why not?
Awesome.
If you got to make a choice and prioritize the front over the back, of course, which is the right choice,
That's-
then might as well do the tuck-in on the round two.
Yes, awesome. Do you mind putting your chin down just for a second?
Sure,
I'm going to show
of
off your
course.
hair a little bit.
No
I'm going to
problem.
put these side by side so you can really see the difference. This is a perfect example of what 30 to 40% looks like. It's enough to really make a huge difference. But you can see, especially when he puts a little gel and wax through it, it makes a little see-through here and there. But to go from where he was to that is it's life-changing. So
awesome.
thanks so much, Ari, and I appreciate you showing off your hair.
Of course.
Thank you.
Anytime.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.